Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages, which probably is going to be on the first one, you'll find the power saving mode. Now, Samsung decided to change their toggles right here from how they used to look like and behave. So now, when you tap on the text, it just automatically turns it on without giving you a single shred of information on what's going to be changed. So let me bring up an older device, because apparently those did the job better than the current Samsung does. No surprise there though. And when you tap on the actual text, it will give you a quick message on what will be changed, which to some people, this message might be freaking crucial, as one of the changes that will happen is this part right here. The background network usage will be limited. Now, to explain what that actually might mean is when you're not using your device in power saving mode, the device basically disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery life, and because of that you might experience delay in notification delivery. Pretty freaking important information if you ask me. So know that when enabling it, because it is one of the more important changes that will happen, that Samsung just decided now to not even give you that info at all. Luckily all devices still do, so you can have some insight about it. Now, some other things that will be changed will be things like your refresh rate will be dropped down to 60. It doesn't really matter. Obviously it's going to preserve your battery life only when the screen is on and not when you lock it, while the locking portion and network basically affects you all the time. Now anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can simply tap on a toggle once more, and this will then disable it and revert all the changes back to what they were before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.